Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make custard delight, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and set a water bath. Whisk eggs and sugar, warm milk with vanilla, temper eggs slowly, strain custard, pour into ramekins, bake until set, cool completely before chilling 2 hours, garnish with toasted coconut and sliced banana, and serve chilled for best texture and flavor. Adjust sweetness to taste, use pasteurized eggs for safety, and allow custard to rest briefly before slicing. Gather the simple ingredients and set them up for smooth workflow. Keep everything within reach and preheat your oven. Warm the milk gently to release the vanilla aroma and dissolve sugar. Whisk eggs and sugar until pale, then slowly add warm milk to temper and avoid scrambling. Strain the mixture into a clean bowl, fill ramekins evenly, and set them in a hot water bath for gentle, even baking. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to help us make more easy recipes. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading while desserts chill. It's a small joy during the wait. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can pick one up if interested. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Place ramekins in a deep pan and pour hot water halfway up their sides to create a steady water bath. Bake gently until the centers wobble slightly when nudged, then remove and cool on the counter to prevent condensation. Chill for at least 2 hours to fully set and develop flavor. Finish with toasted coconut or fruit and serve cold for the best creamy mouthfeel and balanced sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.